Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that I personally love: mechanical keyboards. If you're into gaming, programming, content creation, or just love that satisfying click-clack typing sound, then this video is for you. I've rounded up the top 5 best mechanical keyboards of 2025 that balance build quality, typing experience, customization, and of course, value for money. We'll go through each keyboard's design, features, pros and cons, and by the end, I'll give you my personal recommendation depending on what kind of user you are. So grab a coffee and let us jump right in. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. YUNZII L Silver 66 key CNC aluminum knob wireless mechanical keyboard. 66 key compact layout. CNC aluminum case with volume knob. Bluetooth/G wireless, wired. Hot swappable gasket mounted design. RGB backlighting. The YUNZII L is a compact powerhouse. With only 66 keys, it is super portable and perfect if you don't want a bulky keyboard on your desk. The CNC machined aluminum case gives it a premium, almost Apple-like feel. The rotary knob is a fantastic touch. You can use it to adjust volume, scroll through timelines in video editing, or even set custom macros. Tapping on this keyboard feels buttery smooth thanks to the gasket-mounted design. This mounting style helps absorb keystroke impact, making it softer and quieter compared to tray-mounted boards. And since it is hot swappable, you can swap out switches whenever you want, perfect for switch enthusiasts. Battery life is solid, and the RGB lighting effects are bright and customizable. However, since it is a 66 key layout, you do lose the function row and numpad. That might be a deal breaker for spreadsheet warriors, but for gamers and casual typists, it is more than enough. Pros: premium aluminum build, smooth gasket feel, rotary knob for added functionality, compact and portable. If you want a compact yet premium keyboard that looks great and types even better, the YUNZII L is a fantastic choice. Number 2. Akko MonsGeek M1 V5 Tri-Mode Mechanical Keyboard. 75% layout, NC/ISO. Tri-mode, wired, Bluetooth, G. Viaduct software compatibility. Hot swappable with RGB. Rapid disassembly. Next up, the Akko MonsGeek M1. This is easily one of the most versatile keyboards of 2025. The 75% layout is a sweet spot. You still get arrow keys, function row access, and good spacing, while saving desk space. One of its biggest strengths is Viaduct software support. With Viaduct, you can remap every key, program macros, and tweak RGB lighting easily. This gives you the kind of control usually found in enthusiast-level custom keyboards. Typing is comfortable, thanks to the gasket mounting system. The case feels sturdy, and the stabilizers come pre-lubed for minimal rattle. Gamers will appreciate the low latency over G, while productivity users can switch seamlessly between Bluetooth and wired mode. The disassembly feature is also neat. It allows for easy cleaning or upgrading parts without much hassle. Pros: Viaduct software equals unlimited customization. 75% layout equals great balance. Tri-mode connectivity. Sturdy and customizable build. The MV is for those who want flexibility and customization. It is professional grade but still user-friendly once you get the hang of Viaducts. Number 3. LEOBOG High Pro Side Carved Mechanical Keyboard. 98 key full layout. Side carved design. Tri-mode connectivity. Silent effect switches. Aluminum build, hot swappable. Now let us talk about something unique: the LEOBOG High Pro. This is a full-sized keyboard, meaning you get a numpad, arrow keys, and everything else. It is great for professionals who live in Excel, data entry, or gaming macros that need more keys. But what makes it stand out is the side-carved K-cup design. Instead of having legends printed on top, the letters are carved on the side, giving it a sleek, minimalist look. Combine that with customizable RGB lighting, and it looks futuristic on any setup. The silent effect switches are another highlight. They redesigned to give you the mechanical feel without the loud click, perfect for office environments or late night typing. Pros: full size equals no compromises. Stylish side carved keycaps. Silent switches equals quieter typing. Sturdy aluminum body. If you want a stylish full-size keyboard that is also quiet, the Hi Pro is perfect. Great for professionals who type a lot and want comfort without noise. Number 4. LEOBOG High Aluminum Custom Mechanical Keyboard. 75% aluminum body. Tri-mode connectivity. Gasket mounted. RGB backlit. Hard MA battery. The LEOBOG High is another excellent option in the 75% category. What sets it apart is its massive hard MA battery. This thing lasts for weeks on a single charge, even with RGB on moderate brightness. The aluminum frame gives it a very durable, premium feel. The typing experience is consistent, with a slightly firmer gasket mount compared to the YUNZII. The stabilizers are well tuned, and it doesn't feel hollow when typing. It is also fully programmable, meaning you can remap keys, adjust macros, and even create layered profiles for different games or workflows. Pros: huge card MA battery. Premium aluminum case. 75% equals compact but functional. Programmable layout. If you want a durable, long-lasting wireless keyboard, the Hi is one of the best options in 2025. Number 5. Akko MonsGeek M1 Alternative Variant. 75% Tri-Mode. Viaduct compatible. Hot-swappable. RGB lighting. Yes, the last one is technically another M1 variant, but it is worth mentioning because it comes in different finishes and keycap styles. The underlying features are the same, but depending on your style preference, you may prefer this version. It is still VIA compatible, hot swappable, and offers the great balance between gaming and productivity. Pros: different colorways and designs. Viaduct customization. Solid performance. If you like the MVS features but want a different style, this version gives you that flexibility. So, those were the top 5 best mechanical keyboards of 2025. If you want compact and premium, go for the YUNZII. If you want ultimate customization, the Akko MonsGeek M1 is a no-brainer. If you need a full-sized, quiet option, the Hi Pro has you covered. If you care about battery life and durability, the Hi is unbeatable. My personal pick? The M1, simply because of how customizable it is. But honestly, any of these keyboards will make a fantastic addition to your setup. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.